Subject matter's asking what kind of case is this? Can the federal court even take it? Don't miss. Two roads in, either one will do. Diversity of federal question, pick one, it's true. Diversity needs an amount and a divide. 75,000 plus on the plaintiff's side. Legal certainty is less, that's the only way out. Otherwise the numbers met without a doubt. 75 grand plus, citizens apart, every plaintiff diverse, that's rule one from the start. Federal question means it's pled in the claim, not a state law issue. Federal by name, common nucleus of facts, supplemental's key, same transaction joins in, that's how it'll be. One plaintiff can stack up claims to reach the line. Multiple plaintiffs join if one meets it fine. Domicile means present with intent to stay. Citizen of two states, corporations play. Incorporated place and the main business site both count for citizenship. Keep diversity tight. Can't add a party just to fake the divide. That's improper. Joiner courts won't let it slide. 75 grand plus, citizens apart, every plaintiff diverse, that's rule one from the start. Federal question means it's pled in the claim, not a state law issue. Federal by name, common nucleus of facts, supplemental's key, same transaction joins in, that's how it'll be. Admiralty, copyright, patent, trademark too. All federal questions, that's a fact, that's true. Defense based on federal law don't count at all. Gotta be the plaintiff's claim or it'll fall. Supplemental joins in a case that can't stand alone, but it can't destroy diversity once it's grown. Defendant adding claims, courts usually agree. Plaintiff adding claims, harder to get free. 75 grand plus, citizens apart, every plaintiff diverse, that's rule one from the start. Federal question means it's pled in the claim, not a state law issue. Federal by name, common nucleus of facts, supplemental's key, same transaction joins in, that's how it'll be. Diversity or federal, either road will do. Supplemental ads on it.